Best deals.
1. Dough cutter. Expandable multi-wheel cutters feature locking device to ensure accurate and consistent cuts. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Spice box. Has easy closing and airtight lid retaining aroma freshness with break-resistant transparent see-through acrylic glass. Dabba is made strong with extra thick body. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Vegetable drainer. Made with premium stainless steel and chrome plating for long-lasting use and rust resistance. Has strong frame designed. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Funnel. Made from high-quality stainless steel having thickness of 2 mm for optimal longevity. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Egg separator. Effortlessly separates egg yolks from whites in seconds, ideal for baking and cooking. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Sieve. Comes with 4 different mesh options for versatile kitchen use. The fine mesh is perfect for maida, while the medium mesh works well for wheat flour. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Ghee pot. Made from stainless steel, which is a durable and non-reactive material that does not impart any taste or odor to the ghee. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Scrubber. Use damp for dishwashing or dry for wiping counters, stovetops, sinks, grills, and more. Ideal for cleaning utensils, pots, pans, sinks, kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, grills, and more. Simply rinse under running water to flush debris. Can also be boiled occasionally for deep cleaning. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Tope. Ideal for cooking and serving biryani, rice, gravies and vegetables. Made from strong and durable 100% food-grade stainless steel. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Rolling pin holder. Comes with both the options of hanging on the wall and standing on the surface to provide protection against rats, lizard and cockroach. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Lunch box. Features smooth, burr-free edges thanks to double-sided electrolytic polishing. The reinforced lid is durable and warp-resistant, ensuring long-term use while keeping your food safe. Designed to be lightweight, shatterproof, and compact, this bento box adult lunch box fits easily into backpacks or tote bags. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Pressure cooker. Built with high-performance tri-ply stainless steel, ensuring even heat distribution. The step design prevents spills, while the built-in cavity under the whistle stores steam for better pressure control and flavor retention. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Water bottle. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, making it the perfect water bottle for kids and adults. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Pasta maker. Simple manual crank allows you to roll and cut pasta dough without electricity. Multiple thickness settings to customize pasta sheets to your preferred thickness. Made from sturdy materials like stainless steel or chrome-plated steel for long-lasting use. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Container. Made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel container which ensures strength, quality and durability. The modern design see-through canister container is perfect for your beautiful home and kitchen. Ideal for multi-purpose storing tea, sugar, coffee powder, spices, dry fruits, biscuits and cooking essentials. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Puttu maker. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this puttu maker resists rust and cracking, ensuring it remains durable and reliable for long-term use without losing its performance. Designed with stay-cool handles and knobs, this puttu maker provides safe and comfortable handling. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Kadai. Its triple-layer construction, from base to rim, leaves no chance of food burning and food sticking to the cookware surface. Even with less oil you are sure to get excellent cooking results. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cutlery holder. Features a sleek and modern design with 3 compartments for organizing spoons, forks, and knives. Made from high-quality materials, including sturdy white containers and a solid wooden base. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Canister. Offers ample storage space for a variety of items. Use it to store and organize a wide range of kitchen essentials such as coffee beans, tea leaves, sugar, flour, pasta, snacks, and more. Maintaining the freshness of your stored items is effortless with the canister's airtight seal. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Rack. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Spoons set. Contains 12 steel spoons, which is essential for kitchens, restaurants. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Strainer. Crafted with the finest food-grade stainless steel, this tea infuser guarantees enduring use. Featuring a practical lid and a convenient lift chain. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Lunchbox. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, this lunchbox ensures health and hygiene by providing a safe, toxin-free storage option for your meals. This food container allows you to easily pack a lunch for you and your kids. This is great for meal planning and portion control. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Coffee grinder. Odorless and non-heating during grinding, which can better maintain the original flavor of coffee beans. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Strainer. High-quality stainless steel construction ensures durability and rust resistance for long-lasting kitchen use. Handle design makes it easier to handle and effectively catches food particles, vegetable scraps, and hair. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Coconut opener. Push the tool through the soft husk at the top of the young drinking coconut. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Tope. Crafted from finest quality stainless steel. Encapsulated bottom consists of durable stainless steel encapsulating an aluminum core for even heating throughout. Ensures fast cooking and even heat distribution. Sandwich bottom prevents the food from getting burnt. It's stylish and attractive, suits any kitchen settings. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Broom holder. Stretchy design, holds items firmly, and easy release. Has the advantages of long service life. Easy to use, and saves space. Harmless on your wall, cleanly remove. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Griller. It gives indirect heat and the food is flavored by the smoking process. This is very useful tool for an ideal kitchen. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Strainer. Ideal as a gift for someone you care about or for yourself, this infuser is durable and can be used in everyday life. Perfect for quick brewing of tea in small batch. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Dosa tawa. Designed with an elevated honeycomb pattern, this surface protects the non-stick coating from direct contact with metal utensils. It resists scratches and allows safe use with metal spatulas, ensuring long-lasting performance and worry-free cooking. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Squeezer. This item is a creative lemon juicer in kitchen, made of food-safe stainless steel, not easy to get rusty, suitable for practical and long-term use. You only need to cut the lemon in half. Then slowly squeeze and rotate the top. Squeeze out all the juice. After use, rinse with water and hang upside down on the drying rack to dry. The juicer squeezer has no sharp edge. You don't have to worry about being hurt by the squeezer. With this juicer, enjoy tasty, fresh squeezed juice any time of the day. This handy stainless steel juicer is great to quickly extract juice from lemon, lime, orange and other juicy fruits. This smartly designed citrus fruit squeezer handily juices oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruit. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Chopper. One-touch operation for effortless chopping, helping you save time for meal preparation. Detachable components and dishwasher-safe design make cleaning easy so that you can enjoy your meal more. Electric chopper features a powerful 500W motor, operates on 220 to 240 V at 50 Hz, and offers 3 speed settings for versatile chopping. Designed in a sleek silver color, it adds a modern touch to your kitchen. 100% pure copper motor for efficient and quick chopping, mincing, and pureeing. Can chop, mince, puree, and dice various ingredients like meat, carrots, onions, and garlic. Push to start control makes chopping effortless and convenient. High-quality 4-level stainless steel blades ensure uniform chopping and long-lasting performance. Features anti-slip rubber base and easy assembly for hassle-free usage. Sturdy and stylish design, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. Easily adjust the speed to suit any recipe, from gently whisking egg whites to crushing tougher ingredients. Activate the turbo feature for an instant power boost when you need extra force. Designed for comfortable use, the ergonomic handle provides a firm grip even during long blending sessions. Lightweight and easy to maneuver for both right and left-handed users. The specially designed bell-shaped blending head prevents splashing and ensures a smooth, controlled operation, keeping your kitchen clean and tidy during use. This food grinder is equipped with 4 stainless steel blades and 2 modes to choose from. You can chop, grind various ingredients, such as onions, meat, ham, garlic, onion, small herbs. Chopper is equipped with a stainless steel bowl and 3L capacity. Chopper is equipped with easy to remove, easy to clean accessories and is dishwasher safe. It only takes a few seconds to clean all the accessories except the motor, and the electric meat grinder has a non-slip pad for more stable and safe operation, making it the perfect kitchen tool for preparing delicate dishes. Electric meat grinder comes with real power, which is more efficient and fast. 4 stainless steel blades design allows the upper and lower blades to evenly chop food from every angle of 360 degrees. The electric chopper is an ideal gift for your friend and family. Double layer 4 knives, up and down circulation 3-dimensional crushing, higher energy, more efficient, and more time saving. The high-thickness stainless steel bowl is more resistant to falling. Chopper has a stainless steel finish in front which enhances the look of the appliance. Easy press down button and anti-slip base facilitates fast and convenient operation. Chop in one go, no extra buttons or switches. Multi-splash guard bowl lid is used as a cover of processing bowl after chopping. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Murukku pressing machine. The Murukku Maker stainless steel comes with 15 differently shaped sieves for preparing snacks such as chakli, sev, papadi, nulputtu, and more, allowing you to unleash your creativity in the kitchen. Made from 100% food-grade stainless steel, making it safe for everyday cooking. Its heavy-gauge stainless steel body makes it rust-free and sturdy. The press mechanism at the top removes the need for manual turning. So, you can make murukku, chaklis, rice sevi or pasta conveniently at home. It comes with 15 attachments for making different shaped food items. You can enjoy creating a variety of noodles, pasta, murukku and many more fun snacks. Perfect for making chakli, murukku, idiyappam, noodles, and more without the need for electricity. Durable and rust-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Simply assemble and operate manually for hassle-free cooking experience. Ideal for preparing a variety of snacks like chakli, murukku, and even noodles in the comfort of your kitchen. The compact design allows easy storage and portability, perfect for small kitchens. Prepare your favorite snacks quickly, saving time and effort, especially during busy days. Safe and easy for everyone in the family to use, making it a great addition to your kitchen. All parts are detachable and easy to clean, ensuring proper hygiene and convenience. Beautiful designed, safe and most reliable kitchen appliances for modern kitchen. Being made of fine quality stainless steel, which ensures durability as well as long-lasting use. After every use, you can wash it with normal water or cold water and mild detergent. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Oil extraction machine. Experience unmatched oil extraction efficiency with our Vishwas Oil Maker machine. Using advanced cold press technology, it maximizes oil extraction from a wide range of seeds and nuts, ensuring minimal waste and maximum output. Say goodbye to inefficient methods and enjoy a streamlined oil-making process that delivers superior quality every time. Perfect for home use, it's a must-have for those seeking fresh, pure oil with minimal effort. Crafted with precision, our oil maker machine guarantees consistent, high-quality oil output every time. Featuring a powerful 600W motor and robust, food-grade stainless steel construction, it ensures long-lasting durability and reliability. The carefully calibrated components work in harmony, providing a smooth and efficient oil extraction process, whether you are pressing sesame, peanuts, or other seeds. Expect optimal performance and quality with every use. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Mugs. Made from food-grade, rust-free steel for long-lasting daily use. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Bucket. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel with seamless design and stylish striped pattern for enhanced durability. Product link is given in the 37th link.